everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This will be my last video of 2019. I'm so excited to start off this new year, this 2020. Have a lot of things in stores. If you are new here, go down below, give this video a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, evidently you do because you clicked on it. And also subscribe to my channel. I have videos weekly about beauty, hair, vlogging, you can name it, anything. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, hello and welcome back. So today's video is sponsored by Lancome and Influencer. And I will also have their links down below for these products that I'm about to mention. So they sent me Lancome Hydra Zen. That's what it's called. This is the bottle. And basically, can you guys see it? Either who, I'll have it to the left or the right, one of them. But this is a bottle. This is a moisturizer for your face, anti-stress. It helps your face bring out its natural glow, things of that nature. You guys have to excuse me, this weather has me up and down in Atlanta. I've been sick. But this is a great moisturizer. I've used it a few times. It's so soft. It goes on like silk. It's very moisturizing. It's so amazing. They also sent me Skin Feels Good. This is a sunscreen and it's hydrating skin tint healthy glow. So this is paraben free and oil free. So this is basically just sun protectant, but it has also a tint in it as well. If you guys can see that, but I'll have this posted left to right as well. And this goes on great too. It's really good for like a non-foundation look, like kind of just a natural look. You want to just kind of go out, run some errands, or even if you want to just do like, you know, maybe a lunching, some brunch or whatever, you know, maybe church, you know, you don't want to do any heavy makeup. You just want to put this on. This is really, really good. But we're going to go ahead and get into that, and I'm going to show you guys how everything works. So first I'll go ahead and apply the moisturizer. And the moisturizer smells amazing. It smells so good. And so my face is clean. It's clean, it's washed and everything. I don't have anything on it. So this would be the first thing I'm applying on it. I feel like my face looks tired since I went out last night. And then of course woke up early with my kids. You guys have to excuse my eyebrows. I have not went to go get them done just because I've been waiting on them to really fill out and grow so I can have them arch really thick, but I'm gonna stop procrastinating on that. Okay. And this is just my daily oil that I use on my face, so I tend to lately get dry skin, so I just use it with any moisturizer that I use. Although you don't really need an oil with this moisturizer. It's very moisturizing on its own. This is just my own thing. And also this is my jade roller that I use in the morning. Just it helps, you know, awaken the cells in your face. It helps reduce wrinkles and aging and all that great stuff. But you guys probably already know about this. And I had purchased this. I had linked this in my video. This is one of my purchases for the holidays that was on sale at Marshall's, actually. Get up under these eyes. These eyes, you gotta wake them up. Okay. So we have all of that on. And already, like I said before, my face feels very moisturized, very smooth, and it smells amazing. So anybody that gets close to your face, they're gonna smell like, she smells good. Just to let you guys know. Okay, so we have that on. Sorry about that. And now we're gonna put on the Skin Feels Good sunscreen. It's a cute little pump bottle, so easy applicator, which I love. And I just use my fingers. I really don't use anything else because it's really sheer. This goes on literally like silk as well. It smooths and it feels like you're putting lotion on your face, or yeah, like a really just thin lotion. And you don't have to use a whole bunch. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, and this has glycerin in it. And so this is great for the summer. It takes the moisture out of the air. And of course, apply it to your face. Now, so I know how some people are with glycerin in their hair, but some people like glycerin in their hair, some don't. But now on my face, this stuff is good. My little pink cheeks. Okay. So we have that on, and as you can see, I already have a soft tint to me. There we go. And right now I'm still kind of oily a little bit from my oil, but it's gonna set in, soak in. But I love this look. And if you want, you will be able to add like some lashes, you know, fill in your brows, you know, a little nude lip gloss, lipstick, and just go on about your day. Because I already, as you can see, have this tint, which I love it. But I hope you guys like this. Let me know if you've ever tried this product or these products, or also let me know if you have anything else you try for like a tinted sunscreen or any other moisturizer or anything like that. I will leave the links below to purchase these products. I should be able to find them in my Amazon store, or if not, I'll take you straight to the website of the company. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.